Hi, my name's Dave Tiftickjian.
Hi, my name's Dave Tiftickjian.
I knew at 11 years old that I was coming into this business.
I've been in the rug business since I was 12 years old.
I'm 54 years old.
I'm still only 24 years old. I'm the fourth generation to work in the rug business.
My grandfather started this business in 1892. He came to the United States when he was 14 years old from Armenia.
My grandfather used to fly all over the world. He used to go to Turkey, he used to go to Iran, he went everywhere.
My grandfather came here and started this business, then my dad took over, and now my two brothers and myself and my son.
What it really means to me, this place, is family. Something amazing that I should count myself lucky to have experienced.